What is an irrevocable trust agreement? Have you ever wondered how some people manage to protect their assets while also planning for their estate taxes? An irrevocable trust agreement might be the answer. So, what exactly is it? An irrevocable trust agreement is a legal document that allows a person, known as the grantor, to permanently transfer ownership of specific assets to a trustee. This trustee then manages these assets for the benefit of designated beneficiaries. Once this trust is set up, the grantor generally cannot change the terms or reclaim the assets without getting permission from the beneficiaries or a court. Now, let's discuss why someone might choose to create an irrevocable trust. One major reason is asset protection. Since the grantor gives up control over the assets, they are shielded from creditors and legal judgments. This is particularly important for individuals who may face long-term care costs or potential liabilities. Another significant benefit is estate tax planning. By moving assets into an irrevocable trust, the grantor can effectively reduce their taxable estate. This can lead to lower estate tax bills when the grantor passes away, helping to preserve wealth for heirs. Irrevocable trusts also help avoid probate. Unlike a will, which must go through probate court, assets in an irrevocable trust pass directly to beneficiaries. This not only speeds up the distribution process but also keeps it private. Additionally, these trusts can be useful for Medicaid and government benefits planning. By transferring assets out of the grantor's ownership, they can meet eligibility requirements for long-term care assistance. The trust agreement can also specify how and when beneficiaries receive their assets. This is particularly helpful for managing inheritances, especially for beneficiaries who may not be financially responsible or for those with special needs. Key features of an irrevocable trust include the grantor giving up ownership rights and control over the assets. A trustee is appointed to manage the assets according to the trust terms for the benefit of the beneficiaries. The terms of the trust are generally fixed and cannot be changed without consent from the beneficiaries or court approval. These trusts can be created during the grantor's lifetime or established through a will after death. In practical terms, irrevocable trusts are often used to protect assets from nursing home costs, reduce estate taxes for larger estates, and ensure that assets are managed for future generations or individuals with special needs. Because of the complexity and permanent nature of these trusts, consulting with an experienced estate or elder law attorney is highly recommended when considering an irrevocable trust agreement.